Hi, my name is Zip Giss with WeBuildOnYourLand.com. At WeBuildOnYourLand.com, we like to follow general contractors, do-it-yourselfers, custom home builders, and new home builders. Today I've been brought in as a consultant to take a look at a piece of property. This property currently is 1791 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. After the rehab, it'll be 3,100 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 4 baths. This property, they're looking at putting in a mother-in-law suite. We're here today to take some measurements and take a look at the interior to see what we can do with the interior. But first, let's go take a look at the back. So we've made our way to the back of the house. What we're looking at here is eventually going to be the master bedroom. This will be pushed out to about where I'm standing. Behind me, the kitchen will be redesigned. It'll be pushed out about to the same distance. One thing that I'm really looking forward to is this. This will be our master bathroom. Let's go take a look at the front. So we made our way around to the front of the house. One of the things that I love about this property is the stone fireplace and the stone architecture here at the front. The question is, what do you do with it? Do you paint it? Do you just clean it up? That's a question that we need to figure out, and we'll show you next time you join us here at WeBuildOnYourLand.com. See you next time.